Hello, Mrs. Pretty. Oh, you're a mean Pre-Bird, aren't you? Oh, are you mean? Are you mean, or are you just afraid of the camera? Huh? You a mean Pre-Bird? Huh? You gonna be a mean Pre-Bird? Huh? You gonna be a mean Pre-Bird? I think you're gonna be a mean Pre-Bird, aren't you? You're a mean Pre-Bird. I'm a mean Pre-Bird, aren't you? You mean Pre-Bird? Son, yes. Yeah, that's it. Fuss. Fuss at the camera. Come on. Fuss. Fuss. Fuss at the camera. Okay. Come on. Come on, Senor Pre-Bird. Do something. Do some action or something. Comb your feathers or climb around or something. Oh, you moved. Yeah, I'm just gonna see you later.